Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, open Settings. So you must click. Now scroll down and go into App Management. Over here, click on App Cloner and tap on one of the available apps. In my case, it's only Facebook, so I have to click on it and tap on the switcher next to Create App Clone. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned, but you can always rename your cloned app by clicking on Rename App Clone and typing wherever you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner of this pop-up, and now when I go back, I can see that my Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!